In today's episode, I'm decorating my formal table for winter. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now in today's video, as I said earlier, I'm decorating my formal dining room for winter. But first, we have to take down the rest of Christmas. So I'm going to be getting this room together, cleaning first, and then decorating for Christmas. So I thought you would like to see my process. So my niece and I are going to get busy, and I hope you enjoy this episode. Now I wanted to share with you what the settings were on the table. Now the placemat came from Pier 1 before they closed. The flatware came from Tumi. The snowflake came from Walmart. It was like $1.29. And then the plate, you know, that's an old Dollar Tree favorite. The napkin came from Tablecloths Factory, and the napkin ring was thrifted from eBay. And the stemware, it came from IKEA. Now everything you see on this table setting, I already had in my stash except for the white snowflake. That's the only thing on the table that is new. Everything else was in my stash. Now on the head of the table, they have a star napkin ring because I didn't have 6 other snowflakes. Now in the centerpiece, we have this white runner. It came from the Tablecloths Factory. And the 3 centerpiece items, they were thrifted a while back. Now as you see, the room is clean, it's mopped, the floor is shiny. My niece mopped the floor, and then I moved my ivy over there by itself. I probably will put the ivy back in the bathroom. It grew better in the powder room. Now I'm really liking the table. I put the silver pillow covers on each pillow. Those pillow covers came from Amazon. Now this beautiful plant here is from my mom's funeral. So I have this plant here, and the table is Eric's mom's table. So here is our family picture until I can get a ladder to put it up where it goes, which it goes right there. And that's about maybe 18 feet in the air, and I need a ladder, and it does already have nails up there for the picture. I just need to get a hold of a ladder, and until I get the ladder, I placed it on this wall. Yes, it makes the room unbalanced, but I think overall my formal dining room looks gorgeous. I am on the hunt for new chairs, but I'm not just going to buy any chairs because I see them. I know the kind I'm looking for in my mind. So once I find the chairs I want, then I will be replacing the chairs. But here soon, I am going to paint that china cabinet. So keep a lookout for that video coming soon. Let me know what you think of my Clean With Me Decorate for Winter Tablescape down below in the description. You know I love reading your comments, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.